So we have finally decided to order a new H&J half-face helmet. Now considering na okay pa naman yung luma ko, pero mukhang pagod na siya. So we decided to order something na kamukha din niya. Unfortunately, hindi ko alam kung anong model exactly itong existing ko since I got this more than 5 years ago. So we got this new one, no? Medyo mas rounded siya. We got it for 750 pesos. It's more sleek. Hindi ko lang nagustuhan is wala na siyang air vent, no? Pero meron siyang exhaust. But the thing is, malaking bagay yun especially kung tumatakbo ka, yung may cooling factor sa ulo mo. But nonetheless, yung quality niya, nag-improve, no? Yung foam niya, pati yung plastic, konti lang. But nonetheless, it's still a good buy for less than 1,000 pesos. And I'm sure there are other H&J helmets dyan for less than 1,000 that will fit your daily driving or riding lifestyle na hindi naman kayo exceeding the 30 to 40 km per hour run, no? Nonetheless, if you will exceed that, you'll go faster than that. I suggest you invest in a more expensive, no, and better quality helmet. But for me, since hindi naman ako nagme-main road, no, usually it's just tertiary road ang biyahe ko. So the H&J helmets will fit, no, at a lower cost, and it's very affordable. So check it out.